Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum Matic, Cardano, Solana, SHIB, and Avalanche in that order. And we're going to talk about everything that we've basically been talking about. Well, I didn't do a video yesterday, so happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I missed you guys yesterday. I was doing stuff with the family. Um, but I'm going to show you the day before when we did the video how we hit some of those targets. And we're going to talk about that. Right now, if you look at Bitcoin, we're right on our fib. I didn't never touch this. 53,643 area. We're attempting to hold that up. So let's see if that holds up. Now, it's not looking that great right now. Let's see if this does get a bounce here and start to move back up. If not, then yeah, we're going to be looking in my zone around 50,800 to 49,500 area. Okay, or maybe a bounce off this trend right here. All right, which is not that not a bad thing, guys. So we could draw a channel here, and this, like I said, this is the trend that we had. As long as we don't break this trend and get a daily or 4-hour candle closing under there, I'm still bullish on this. Yeah, it's not looking great right now on the daily, but let's see if this fib can turn it around. If not, then we'll look at these levels here. To the upside, let's see. This was broke from the other day, so we'll get rid of that. I don't know why I have two lines in the same spot. I must have doubled up by accident. Hit the button twice. 55 is gone now. It's out of range. So I want to see 54,500. Actually, no, we want to see this area right here. We want to regain 56,600 to start looking bullish again. But guys, you can see what happened here in Bitcoin. We came up, we tested our trend, our main trend. I had this little trend that we broke. I erased it because it's meaningless now. Then we broke that little trend and we went higher and we ended up hitting my bigger trend. And I talked about this when I drew this trend back here. We were back here. I drew the trend. I started the trend early. We were back here. And I said, look, this is a possibility that we get rejected here. We got rejected here. Now let's see if we can get a bounce here. If not, a bounce at these lower levels. We'll keep an eye on it. We are in this zone right here. You can see back here, which I should make this purple box bigger because it really takes up this zone right here. Okay. We're going to get rid of the 54 actually because you can see where we had this area right here that we want to see hold up, because if not, then we're going to drop down in this area on these areas that we talked about. Okay. So so that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. Ethereum, guys, look what happened. Okay, this is on the 4-hour, but look at the daily. So yesterday, Thanksgiving, I didn't do my video. Okay, we were down here. I was saying, hey, man, this might be a good opportunity to buy. We're in my buy zone. Bought it, hit our top target perfectly, and then came back down, got rejected. Now, you can see we're getting a bounce in my buy zone area here. Okay, so let's see if that can hold up. It stinks because we're not getting the W. I don't know why we're getting this. This website uses cookies. Okay, I'm just going to leave that alone. I don't know what that's all about. I never seen that message. But yeah, we got rejected here perfectly. If you guys watched that video from 2 days ago, we had this drawn up. We hit this. Now we hit my buy zone or a potential bounce area, which we are getting the bounce. So I want to see this area hold up anywhere from 38.80 to 39.40 area. Or 3,900, I should say, area. I want to see that area hold up. We don't want to see a 4-hour candle closing under there. If we do, then yeah, we could see, the 36 or even this 35 area. Okay. Now to the upside, I want to regain this area here. So I'm looking, I want to get it back above 4260 to 4300. That would look nice, or actually 4350 area. Let's see, do we have, let's see, what do we have here? Let me just, yeah, I want to see, yeah, the 4280 to 4300. Let's see what happens. you can see, guys, when we got rejected, I always tell you, if the next candle, if it comes back down and falls back into this trend, that's ugly, and it got ugly quick. It got ugly bad. Okay, this is just straight chart. Like news, no news. If I was looking at this as a chart, and we got rejected at where we thought our rejection point was, right? Our potential selling area. Okay, then we fell back in our trend. This right here would be danger for me as a trader. Okay, you'd be looking just to get out of that. All right, and that's what people did. And then they bought back into the buy zone. All right. So we had this as a top resistance, and then this level is the all-time high. So we wanted to get a 4-hour candle closing above there to get back above here, but we got rejected. Anytime you get rejected in a critical zone, you could see a nasty drop, and that's what happened with Ethereum. So this is what I'm looking at for Ethereum. Matic, guys, same thing. You can see the touch points here. 1, 2. This is on the daily. You can see the touch points. We hit the touch points at $1.97. Like I said, I didn't do a video. This was yesterday's. We talked about maybe buying at 168. Boom. Nice move to the upside. That was a 17% gain. But then we got rejected at this point here with the 2 touch points. And now we're kind of getting support in on my zone. Actually, if you look at this to the dollar right here, yeah, $1.62 was the exact low. So let's see if we get our bounces here. Let's see what happens. All right. So this was something that I was looking at. So it's not surprising. What I do want to see, though, you can see where we got rejected here at the 50-day. This orange line is the 50-day moving average. I do want to see us get a 4-hour candle closing back above there, and actually back above 168.5,000. That would look bullish, and I want to see 162 hold up. If 162 doesn't hold up, then we could be looking at the 155 or even the 146 if it gets really ugly, guys. Okay. And then if we get to a 4-hour candle closing above 168, then I'll look for the 179 and 183 again. Okay. Especially that 183 to 183 to 184 area. Okay. We could see some resistance there, and then maybe 186. Yeah, 186. Okay. So these areas here would be looking, I would look to see if we could clear these. If we can, then then maybe we can get back up there. Cardano, guys, we talked about this being ugly. We talked about it maybe getting down to $1.50. Well, guess what, guys? We got down to the $1.50. To me, this was an area where it's not a bad buy right there, guys. We're retracing the old W that we had, and this is not bad. I mean, you could scale in on this. Okay, 150. Could it go lower? Yeah, but a little scale in, And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purpose only. And what I do want to see is I want to see us get back above one, because we want to clear this zone. So you know what? I'm looking at 168 to 171 and a half. I want to see us get back a 4-hour candle closing back above there. If we could do that, then maybe we can get a move up to the upside. Plain simple, guys. I just want to see 150 hold up. If 150 doesn't hold up, it could get ugly. Okay. Let's see potential places. We could even look at the weekly real quick. Yeah, 150, guys. I want to see 150 hold. If not, we could be looking at 139, 140 area. Okay. So that's what I'm looking at for Cardano. Solana, guys, look what happened. We broke down, broke our 200, broke our 211. We talked about that. And then we talked about holding 200 to 199. As soon as we broke it, we went downhill. And we talked about this area right here. These were my 2 buy zones, 184, 178, and 170, 164. Okay. But I want to see this area hold up because this is getting ugly on the charts. So let's see if 180, let's see, what was it? 183 holds up to 178. I want to see that hold up. And then I want to see a 4-hour candle closing above 200 again and 211. And then maybe we can move up from there. But until then, that's what I want to see. Let's see. This is the 4-hour. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for Solana, guys. This is let's look at a bigger chart. Let's look at Bitcoin. You know, we could be getting a turnaround anytime soon, guys. Let's I mean, nothing's looking that great, but there could be a turnaround very soon. I mean, we are holding my levels here. Let's see here. Let's go back to SHIB. Let's go to SHIB, guys. Guys, SHIB, man. So we had our day, right? So when I did this video, it was at $1. It was at 37, like 37.60. Or actually, it was down here even 36, 37. Anyways, I said I was buying it there. I thought it was going to be a big move because they were going to start opening up trading. And what was it? South Korea, right? We talked about. Well, that happened, guys. And then we got this move. We got a 30% move. Okay. Actually, it was 27. If you count the day I made the video, right? Because yesterday, Thanksgiving, and then I made the video, we were down here. But I actually made the video before this candle opened up. So we were a little bit, we didn't see this candle yet. So we were a little bit down here. It's locking me in, so it's hard. I know I got a little 30% gain off of it. But look at that, 30% gain. Now, with the high, I didn't do this high yesterday. Or I'm sorry, I did this yesterday, but I didn't jump on to really chart. I actually did it on my phone, guys, at a family gathering. So it's kind of, but you can see with a touch point here, where we could get a rejection. So I was looking at that area, so I drew that up there. So yeah, 148.30. But what I want to see with this now is I want to see. Let's see here. There could be. We had this trend, guys. I don't know what happened. It didn't save or something. I don't know if it's because I just renewed everything. I like renewing at this time of the year because you get such a great discount on everything. Let's see if this trend holds up, guys. Okay, so I want to see this trend hold up. We can extend it, actually. Let's extend it. Where is the extender? Right here. Extend to the, oh, I extended the wrong way. Boom. Okay, so let's see if that this trend can hold up. So right now, I would like to see 35.75 hold up. God, I had some purple boxes down here. What happened to that too? You guys remember my purple box? I had it from 33.85 to 37.81 as our buy zone. I'm gonna look back at those videos, guys, because I know I had this. Okay, because we were buying. I was buying in the buy zone. We talked about it. We talked about us buying in this buy zone right here. Okay. And then we had this huge 30% move. So and what I want to see is hold this buy zone anywhere from 37.81 to 33.85. But I really want to see. I don't want to see us creating a new low here. And that's coming in right around, looks like 35.60 area. So we don't want to create new lows. And the next low is 36.31. So we want to start getting higher and higher in this. And then eventually maybe we can get back above the 4,000 area and get above this. I want to see a 4-hour candle closing above 4,000. You can see this on my fib. I want to definitely see that. Guys, look at this. Avalanche, we hit our target at 146, got a huge correction. Hit my buy zone. I said, guys, if you can get it at 99.103 or even better down here, I'm buying back in because you remember I told you guys that I was selling up here. Okay. I told you guys I was selling in this area. I'm buying back in at this area. Okay. I haven't even looked at the indicators, but this is a great move in my opinion. And if I get it a little lower, I'll buy some more lower. Okay, but I'm buying in this area. Um, I'm not loading the boat. I'm just kind of taking a position. You can see we broke trend, and that was a good trade. But I'm kind of just taking a position here. Nothing too crazy. I do want to see this trend break. Okay. We did break this trend, which is ugly. That's not good. All right. So this bigger trend we did break. That being said, we stick to our game plan, and I'll buy in all three of these areas if I have to, a little bit at a time. But right now, yeah, I purchased a little bit here, down here in my purple buy zone, and I really like Avalanche. That's the end of the story. Solana too, guys. Okay, this area, great buy opportunity. I'm gonna buy down here too if it gets lower. Okay, so we talked about SHIB, Avalanche, guys. I want to see break the 110, 113 again, get a 4-hour candle closing above here. If we do that, then yeah, we can test this trend again. You can see where we got rejected at this trend, just like we got rejected at where was it? Bitcoin's trend. Same thing. Okay. So let's see if these hold up. Yeah, I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. We talked about the downside, talked about the upside. SHIB, Solana, Cardano. We're getting the bounce off of 150. We talked about that. Let's see Ethereum. We got our buy zone right here. Let's see if that holds up. And then Bitcoin. Now, guys, we could, and I've been talking about this. Come back down into this box and retest this area around 45. That could, or 46, or even 40. We could retest this trend right here. Okay, this bigger trend, which I'm gonna change the color on it, and I'm gonna make it. Where is it? Where's style? What is it? Trend line. Line. Oh, sorry. We're gonna make it gold. How's that? Or orange or yellow. Okay, perfect. So we could come back down, retest this trend. That'll be bullish, guys. So that could be setting up the big move going into next year or even late December. Okay. So I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. I'm going to put my link to WeBull and my link to Twitter. You guys can follow me on Twitter. Also, my link to WeBull will be in the description as well. I don't know why that keeps happening as too. But yeah, my link to WeBull will be in the description as well. You guys deposit $100, you get 3 free shares using my link. Also, if you share it with 3 other people, you do get a Apple stock worth about $160. So that's nice for free. Also, you can get some free SHIB and other free things. So use my link to WeBull if you're going to sign up. If you don't have a WeBull account, it's easy. Just deposit $100. Wait a couple days. You can take your money back out and have free money to play with. All right, guys. I think that's it. Much love to you guys, and have a great night. Peace out.